Okay, in class, the dear teacher gave us the introduction to levels of English and informed you the class guidelines, how the grades count, the activities, and the different levels. They talked our tourism celebration and how her number one activity should be and about natural disaster. He asked who had experienced natural disaster. I answered that I have never experienced any natural disaster. But I have seen natural disaster like the earthquake in Mexico on TV movie, the largest natural disaster in the world. Natural disaster, the forest fire in Australia. Okay, the next question is celebrations in Colombia shows as the in Colombia shows as the flower fire that is traditional in Medellin, where dances are held under our flower and a spectacular food. I will give some advice on how to stay calm and follow safe measures. Okay, next question is in the picture person. Ingrid Betancourt survived in the jungle, be persevering and being patient. Okay,